Get ready to step into the future. From AI-powered home assistants to ultra-portable espresso machines, we're counting down 8 of the coolest, most innovative tech gadgets of 2025 that you've never seen before. Whether you're a gadget lover or just curious about what's next, this list will blow your mind. Let's dive in. The Samsung Ballie Rolling Robot, the future of home assistants. Equipped with AI and smart home connectivity, Ballie autonomously navigates your space, managing your appliances while learning your habits for a personalized touch. With its built-in projector, it can send video updates or handle calls. It can even project videos and set the perfect ambiance, from adjusting lights to playing music. Ballie also helps with workouts, pet care, and relaxation, making it the perfect all-in-one assistant. Plus, its Gemini multimodal capabilities let it understand audio, voice, and visual data, making it more intuitive than ever. Say hello to smarter living with Ballie. The PixelMug P1, the smart mug that's changing your coffee game. With a vibrant 4.83-inch pixel display, you can show off custom animations, play mini games, or even send pixel messages to friends. The AI turns your photos into 8-bit art, while smart hydration reminders and a live temperature display keep every sip perfect. Gesture controls make it fun to interact, and with Wi-Fi and the Bubble app, updates and customization are endless. Built tough with IPX7 waterproofing and a 600 mAh battery, this 175mm mug brings entertainment to every coffee break. PixelMug P1. Drink smart, live smarter. Plus, it supports sync with your smart calendar to display upcoming events. And with its durable build, it's perfect for both office desks and weekend hikes. The Aqara Motion Sensor P1, smart, powerful, and built for seamless security. It's easy to install. Just place it anywhere you like, and it's ready to go. With an ultra-long battery life, it consumes extremely low energy and can last up to 5 years without needing a replacement. Enjoy true hands-free automation by controlling your lights automatically through motion detection. For added security, it activates the alert system when no one is home. When paired with Aqara Camera Hub G3, it lets you instantly check live status if abnormal motion is detected. Plus, it supports installation with a stand, allowing you to flexibly adjust the detection angle for optimal coverage and performance in any room. COFFEEJACK V2, the ultimate portable espresso machine that brings coffee shop quality to your pocket. Designed with advanced planetary gear technology, it delivers high-pressure extraction for rich, full-bodied espresso anywhere. Built with a durable all-metal body and stainless steel components, it's made to last. Its 54mm unpressurized portafilter ensures professional-level shots, while increased heat insulation and optimized shot consistency elevate every brew. Anti-channeling design, easier operation, and enhanced versatility make it ideal for both home and travel. Say goodbye to bulky machines and overpriced takeout. COFFEEJACK V2 puts perfection in your hands. Level up your chess game with SenseRobot, the AI-powered smart chess coach that adapts to every skill level. Featuring 25 AI levels, it progresses from beginner to grandmaster, offering personalized challenges. The robotic arm moves pieces with precision, and its camera-like eye analyzes the chessboard in real time, creating a unique and interactive experience. Connect with global players through planet lines and compete online. SenseRobot also includes 145 classic endgames for practice, along with learning modules like chess courses, AI practice, and game review. Whether you're new to chess or a seasoned player, SenseRobot is designed to help you improve and master the game. Start your journey to chess mastery with SenseRobot, the future of chess training and play. The WAVLINK Giant Stream 6 is an AI-powered Wi-Fi 6 router designed to transform your home network. It features an intelligent QoE system that automatically prioritizes bandwidth for gaming, streaming, or work tasks, so everything runs smoothly without manual settings. With AI-optimized bandwidth allocation, real-time network adaptation, and multi-layered security, your connection stays fast and safe. It includes smart parental controls that analyze online behavior and generate usage reports. Thanks to adaptive mesh expansion, you get seamless coverage with 0 dead zones. WAVLINK Giant Stream 6 isn't just a router, it's your home's intelligent network manager. Is your old pad or phone gathering dust? iFramix Pro is here to transform it into a stunning digital photo frame, enhanced with a smart ambient light strip, real-time time display, weather updates, and much more. Thanks to its powerful AI integration, it doesn't just show photos, It curates artistic displays by matching your pictures with personalized text that adds emotion and story. Get daily inspiration from over 500 great thinkers. Plus, stay updated with unmissable news, all while using productivity tools like a calendar, focus companion, and stock dashboard. And when it's time to work, iFramix Pro seamlessly becomes a secondary screen for your PC. With smart charging control and intelligent features, it breathes new life into your idle devices. Reimagine your tech. Turn that forgotten device into a beautiful, functional masterpiece with iFramix Pro. The Lego Air Duster is your ultimate portable tool. Easy to carry, yet packed with power. Experience rapid cooling and efficient dust elimination with its 90,000 RPM motor. Its modular design transforms effortlessly into desktop mode, giving you flexible control wherever you are. Need rapid inflation or premium maintenance for your gear? This device handles it all. With fast charging capabilities and a powerful 10,000 mAh battery, it's more than just an air duster. It's a versatile companion. Whether you're cleaning, charging, or even using it for camping ignition, the Lego Air Duster is engineered to do it all. Anytime, anywhere. That's a wrap on the top 8 cool tech gadgets of 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.